email groups hidden treasure troves for advertising a blog. Something that has become increasingly popular since the internet has grown are the email groups that are available through Yahoo, MSN, and other venues. They are a great way to meet other people who have a common interest and are very similar to the communities that are available through blogging sites. There is plenty of diverse subjects and there are communities for just about any subject. These groups can be a great place for people who have a blog about the subject and want to share it with other people. Most of the time when you join a group, you are encouraged to take a moment and to introduce yourself. This is a great opportunity to tell people about your blog, but make certain that you don't overdo it. Just like with any of the other places you will advertise your blog, you want to make people want to go to your blog. If you are too overbearing, you will turn people off. If your blog covers different subjects, you can advertise it on the other groups that cover those subjects as well. Make certain that your post to the groups is interesting, and that you let people know what it is that your blog is about. There's nothing worse than getting taken to a blog under false pretenses. When people visit your blog, make certain that you thank them for visiting and respond to comments that they leave. If they know that you appreciate the time that they took, they are more likely to come back again.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.